Hello everyone, and welcome back to yet another beautiful video. Today I will be showing off pieces from Rick Owens. Surprise, surprise. And here we are with about 8-9 different pieces from Rick Owens. Now the thing is, what I have realized over my time buying Rick Owens is there are phases where I thought I was away from it. I thought I am kind of done with Rick Owens, and then I don't know what happens in my head and my mind, but I get into it today. Starting off, we'll go very basic. We are going to just do a tank top. This is a very simple ribbed tank top from Dark Shadow. The season of this, I'm even unsure of. The season of this, I am unsure. This is a size medium in orange, and as someone who has gone into tank tops a bit more recently, I've just really enjoyed having a very nice quality one such as this. If you're looking for a basic tank top and have a little bit of money to spend, this is definitely what you want to go for. This one is not elongated like most normal ones, so it is a lot smaller of a size medium than you would normally see, yet all in all, it is a very beautiful piece, and you can just see how much of a vibrant orange it is in the camera, but it's also pretty dulled out. So it's a mix of sort of this blood color with not too much pop. The second piece is a piece that can be confusing for a lot of people. I think it originates from 2016 Rick Owens, if I am correct. Basically in that time, Rick Owens came out with his Velvor, with his body bags. Now the body bag slash body suit is a full body item that we can see when put on just consumes you, as most of his fashion does, and it's an interesting piece. This is almost the same material, just a lot thicker than the tank top, and this one actually is almost like a pair of shorts, yet it's still very fascinating. It's more of the 3/4 shorts that Rick Owens specializes in. If I'm correct, the season this is from is a little later on, so this is once he really started experimenting with body bags. This is a tuta, so I think it's spring, summer, fall, winter 18. If anyone would like to correct me in the comments, that would be nice. And yeah, just overall, a very interesting piece. You don't see these often because of the lack of substantial material, and it being about $1,000 leaves it in a very interesting place where, you know, you have to really want it to want it. Yet I have seen people pull these off in the most extraordinary, fascinating ways, and they can look really, really nice. Let's go to more tank tops. These are the holy trio, the holy grail trio of tank tops in my opinion. And even though I think there are a few more colors of it, along with a black one that I know for sure exists, we have the membrane tank tops. So here I have the dark green one, I have the white one, and I have the sort of beige-ish color. Of course, all three of these items are from Spring Summer 18 Dirt, mainline Rick Owens. So a couple things you'll realize, and I think I forgot to mention it, the first and second piece were Dark Shadow. From now on, we're moving into Rick Owens, so not the diversion line. Not the diffusion line. Now, the thing about these is I can hold them like this. I'm not going to really try to show them off not on body. because it's impossible to explain to you how these fit, how these can go with an outfit, and just all in all how versatile and phenomenal these pieces are. Spring Summer 18, in my opinion, was a very high place for Rick, and I see it again with Spring Summer 21. I have very high hopes. He just keeps upping the standards each time, and I'll probably have a video on that if I get a piece. I really want to make a video on Montclair Rick Owens and just continue with my mild obsession over his clothing and everything else in the Rick universe that we see. So yeah, very, very nice pieces. These are very thin, so not only will the holes show your nipples, but you will see your nipples through the white and sort of beige-ish shirt no matter what. That's why I'm happy I have all three. You can sort of layer them and it will not be warm at all, even in the 90-degree weather that I happen to live in. Overall, crazy pieces. I love these items. You can wear them over a shirt, you can wear them alone, you can wear them just as simple layering. And I think they're a very, very unique piece. 10 out of 10. The next thing I'd like to talk about, I have to stand up for because it is what I'm currently wearing, and it is the Berlin sweatpants in the burgundy red colorway. Berlin sweatpants are a very infamous piece from Rick Owens. What we see here is his first sweatpant without a drop crotch. And in 2018, when these dropped, the craze was intense. It was insane. These were reselling for an upwards of $1,000. And now with the Fall/Winter 20 collection, we see a resurgence of them in a sort of, I'm gonna call it a snot colorway. We have burgundy and we have black. Actually, I'd like to correct myself, these are more maroon than burgundy. Nevertheless, very, very beautiful piece. It's a staple, it's a sweatpant. You can't go wrong. But here's the thing, if you're looking at avant-garde fashion, you can go wrong. And this is where the non-cuffed bottom, the sort of fit all together, sort of makes it a really interesting stack on boots. And as long as you dress it up, you are going to get amazing outfits for it. Phenomenal piece. That's really all I can say. I am saving the best for last, do not worry. I'm going into shoes next, and then the big finale piece. These still do sell for about $800 to $1,000, just because I think retail is $700. So if you're looking at secondhand market, it's going to be more, and of course it is the Berlin sweatpant. So very big there. Once again, all these pieces from 2018, and believe me, it does not end there, really proving what I was saying earlier about it being the highlight of Rick Owens. We will go into shoes before the final piece. And here we have the Rick Owens tractor boot. Now, oh my bad, the Rick Owens tractor sandal. Now what's fascinating about these is I had the tractor boot a very long time ago, and I just wasn't the biggest fan of it. It did not work with my style at the time, and I feel as a shorter person, just did not work. Yet these are crazy, and if you have a pant such as the Easy Pusher or any of the very wide flared pants from Rick Owens, these just go so well together. This colorway is the black on black colorway. There's a transparent sole, there's white version, there's many different versions of this shoe that you can get. And of course, it's Rick Owens main line. You have a leather inside, leather along the sides, very nice buckles, and overall, it's a very nice piece. The second to last item that I will be showing off is a pair of fall/winter 20 Beetle boots. I got these because of the sole purpose that I am selling the tractor sandals, as I am not the biggest fan of sandals and I am the biggest fan of boots. So I am here with another black boot, yet the sole is ginormous on these. I think it's bigger than the double platform Ramones that I have, and these are one of my favorite boots I have. Despite owning many different boots, these just fit a bunch of different criteria, and it is a Chelsea boot top, which I never thought in a million years I would like. I never thought I would fall in love with, and yet here I am with these very beautiful, if I'm correct, vegan leather boots with a sole that is foam, so even though the sole is huge, it is not heavy at all, and just amazing boots overall. I think I got these somehow on sale, which is even crazier because they are from the fall/winter collection. Just very happy with them. And now I will be showing off my final piece, le pièce de résistance, and the main reason I wanted to record this video, which is the runway embroidered easy pusher pants. These deserve their own spotlight. They honestly deserve their own video, yet I decided to include it in this, not to milk them and just get straight to the point that these are the most insane pant I have ever had. There is black coated denim panels. There are embroidery features, there are hanging strings, there is the very flared sides. As you can see, the main pant is here and then this just sticks out. The very flared bottoms. And these pants, I am never going to sell. I know even if I went bankrupt, these would stick with me. If I could save one thing in my room, it would be these pants. Absolutely crazy. I've said it once, I've said it twice, and I'm going to say it again. I am speechless when it comes to these pants. If I'm correct, these came straight off the runway and sold for about 2,400 pounds. I got them from another person on Grailed, so I did not get them for that much. But you can see how valuable these pants are, and you know, just crazy. The design, the effort, the fact that it was on the runway. I was looking through photos the other day, just guessing which model was wearing it, and yeah, I am in love with these pants. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys have enjoyed my enormous haul of Rick Owens. And as always, have an amazing day.